Hey everybody, James here from Hybrid Hobby. Welcome back. Hope everyone's doing well. I have something fresh and current here from our friends at Athearn that I want to share with you guys. Let's check it out. If it's what I think it is, I've been waiting quite a while for this model to come out. Oh man, it is! It's the new Genesis GP15-1. Yes! Before we open it up, let's get a little bit of background on this locomotive. In the mid-1970s, EMD developed the new GP15-1 model in an effort to offer their customers a replacement for their medium-sized road switchers which were wearing out. At the time, many different railroads were rebuilding their older road switchers and EMD wanted to offer them a different option. Unfortunately, there weren't a lot of buyers and only 310 units were built for the US railroads. An iconic feature of this small 1500 horsepower unit was a radiator intake section similar in appearance to the style that EMD was using on the larger SD40 45T-2 models, being produced for the Rio Grande and Southern Pacific to alleviate overheating issues in their mini tunnels. Rail fans refer to these larger units as tunnel motors, which led to the much smaller GP15-1s receiving the moniker baby tunnel motors. Many GP15-1s still remain in service today for major Class 1 railroads, regional railroads, and short lines. We were able to secure a few photos of California Northern GP15-1 103 in service. This is the unit that we will be revealing today. I'd like to give a huge thanks to Noah H. and Ben Helsel from rrpicturearchives.net for letting us use their images of California Northern GP15-1 103 in service. In these pictures they provided, we see California Northern GP15-1 103 in multiple different locations across California. Now that we know a little bit of background on this locomotive, let's go take a look at it and see what it's all about. Now, let's take a look at some of this locomotive's features. The model comes fully assembled and ready to run. The DCC Ready version features a quick plug-and-play 21-pin NEM connector for decoder of your choice. The model is scaled from prototype resources including drawings, field measurements, photographs, and more. All models have accurately painted and printed paint schemes. The details include coupler cut levers, flexible rubber MU hoses, flexible rubber train line hose, see-through cab windows with a full cab interior, walkway tread, fine-scale Celcon handrails for scale appearance, windshield wipers, body-mounted lift rings, wire grab irons, detailed fuel tank with fuel fillers, fuel gauges, and breather pipes, and also sander lines. The model is equipped with McHenry-style knuckle couplers that are KD compatible. The unit is equipped with a Genesis driveline with 5-pole skew-wound motor, precision machined flywheels, and multi-link drivetrain. All-wheel drive with precision gears for smooth and quiet operation, and all-wheel electrical pickup provides reliable current flow for the model. Wheels with RP25 contours operate on all popular brands of track, and the locomotive is equipped with LED bulbs for realistic appearance. The unit also has a heavy die-cast frame for greater traction and more pulling power, and it comes in packaging that securely holds the model for safe storage. Sound-equipped models also feature an onboard DCC decoder with Soundtrack Tsunami 2 sound. Sound units operate in both DC and DCC. Full DCC functions are available when operated in DCC mode. The engine, horn, and bell sounds will work in DC. All functions are NMRA compatible in DCC mode, and the decoder features precision slow-speed control and capability to program a multiple unit lash-up. Many of the functions can be altered via CV changes, and a CV chart is included in the box. Now it's time to get this locomotive out on the main line for its maiden journey. Let's go! If you're looking to add one of these beautiful Genesis GP15-1 locomotives to your fleet, which I highly recommend, head on over to horizonhobby.com today. You can also find them at your favorite online model train retailer and your local hobby shops. I'd like to thank the California Southern Model Railroad Club and Horizon Hobby for help making this review possible. Thanks again, everyone. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for subscribing. All aboard! Until next time, James out.